Hello everyone, for today's magic card trick tutorial, I thought it'd be neat to share with you a trick that uses a secret card. Now the reason why it's a secret is because nobody knows what the card is. So we're gonna have to get a secret card. It's a regular deck, well mixed, well shuffled. And we're gonna pick a secret card and place it right here, face down in this stack of face-up cards, okay? So that'll be our secret card. Nobody knows what it is, including me, including you. It's completely a secret. Now, I'm gonna go through these cards face up, and you're gonna have a free selection to tell me when to stop whenever you want at any card you want to stop me at. So like here, if you stop me here, it would be, you can either pick the Queen of Diamonds or the Two of Clubs. You stop me here, you can pick the Two of Clubs or the Seven of Diamonds, so on and so forth. So just as I go through the cards like this, just tell me when to stop. Let's say you stop me here and you wanted the Jack of Spades. So we'll take the Jack and we're gonna lose the Jack face up in the middle of these cards, okay? So the Jack of Spades will be completely lost face up in these cards. Nobody knows where the Jack of Spades is. Now, we've had this stack of face up cards with the secret card in it sitting here the entire time, and wouldn't it be amazing if we look at the secret card that we've had that's been here the entire time, face down in this stack of face up cards? Wouldn't it be amazing if that secret card was the Jack of Spades? And that's actually the only Jack of Spades in the entire deck of cards. And that's secret card. Now, before I show you how to do it, please, as always, like and subscribe to this channel and this video. I really appreciate it. I'd also like to give a shout out to my channel members. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you for supporting this channel. And if you're looking to support this channel through the channel membership program through YouTube, you can do that all in the links given below. Also, visit thebestmagicshop.com for some awesome magic tricks and gimmicks. You can also sign up for a newsletter to be notified of new tricks, discounts, and more. All at thebestmagicshop.com. All right, secret card, the tutorial. Now, you're gonna have to do a couple sleights in this trick, but it is a regular deck of cards. There's no setup involved whatsoever. You're just using completely normal deck of cards. To start the trick off, you can shuffle them. You can have the spectator shuffle. It doesn't matter. Like I said, it's just a regular deck of cards. You're gonna wanna flick down and probably get about a third of the deck of cards, maybe a little bit less. Turn them face up and do a one-hand fan, and just fan these cards out. Say we're gonna take a secret card and place it face down in these face-up cards. Take the whatever top card is, it doesn't matter what it is, and place it face down somewhere probably near the bottom of the face-up cards, just kind of depending on how many cards you take. You don't want too many cards in this face-up stack because you're gonna need the rest of the cards later in the trick, and you'll see what I mean by this, okay? So take any card, place it face down in this fan. Take the fan, close it up with the card sticking out towards you so it's out jogged, okay? So it's out jogged in the deck. Square this card up, get a break as you square up right at that card. So you have a break here, and you're just gonna peel off at that break where that face down card is and place these cards on top of the table. So you have something that looks like this. You have the face down card, whatever card it is, it doesn't matter, and then you'll have a few face-up cards below it. Careful not to flash like this, because you just want it to look like it's just a normal face-down stack of cards. Turn the entire stack face up, and as you do that, you're explaining that you're gonna go through the cards, and the spectator can tell you when to stop. As you're speaking, get a thumb break underneath this bottom card now, which is that face-up card, and as you explain, say you're gonna peel off cards from the top and place them in your hand, and the spectator can tell you when to stop at any time. Now, when you're comfortable, you know, in the first or second card, go back, you wanna drop this card on top of that card under the cover while you're peeling these cards off so nobody knows what you're doing, okay? So it's just, you have this card, that face-up card, as you're peeling cards off the face-up cards into your hand, peeling, okay? You have a break, this is exaggerated, and then as you go to peel off another card, just drop it and cover with another card into your hand like this. As you're explaining that, as you go through the cards like this, the spectator can tell you when to stop. Now, the bottom of your cards looks with the face-up card now like that, okay? So now the spectator can stop you at any point in time that they want. If they stop you here, let's say they wanted the king of clubs, you're gonna need to get a break underneath the king of clubs. If they stop you here at the six of hearts, peel that card off and then easily get a pinky break underneath that card, because you're gonna need to steal the whatever card that they stop you at, okay? So let's just say they stopped you here at the ace of hearts, okay? And it's in your hand like this. Just get a pinky break underneath the ace of hearts, whatever card that they want to stop you at. So when you go through now with this deck, whatever card they stop you at, you're gonna need to grab, this is my right hand, this is my left hand. You're gonna need to grab that card that they stopped you at as you peel off another card to hide that you've just stolen that card that they stopped you at now on the bottom of this deck. And then continue just to peel off cards after you've stolen that card, which is now really on the top, but it's, you know, it's on the bottom of this pack. Okay, peel off just a couple more cards, of however many you want, till you feel comfortable. Place this stack face up now on top of that. Turn this entire stack over, and now what you have done is you've stolen the card that they stopped you at, and you still have this amount of face-up cards on top of the deck, okay? Make sure you don't flash again, because you only have one card. It just looks like a regular stack of cards, but announced to them, they do not know that this is the card that they stopped at. Pick this entire pack up of cards, place them on top, and now, depending on your cards, you should get a natural kind of break where the face-up cards meet the face-down cards. So once you place this on top of the deck, you're gonna pick that entire pack now of face-up cards that was on top. You know, we had like, what, 4 that were on here. Now you're gonna pick that entire pack up. So you have their selected card. There was the 4 face-up cards that were left on top of the deck. And it could be, you know, 4, 6, whatever, however many you have, depending on where you place the original face-down card, the mystery card, or the secret card face down inside this pack. Okay, so you pick this entire pack up. Now you spread these out. You know, if you do your one-handed fan, spread them out, show that you have that secret card that's been here the whole entire time, and when you pull it out, it's going to be that card that they stopped on, and that's the only, you know, card. You know, there's no duplicates in this deck, and there's no gaff cards, and then you can show that that secret card was their card the entire time, okay? So that's secret card. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I know I kind of went kind of fast and only one time over, but it's a really neat trick. It's kind of got that surprise ending effect to it. So, but if you do have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I do respond to comments usually within a day or two, okay? Mostly within a day, within 24 hours, okay? So it's not, you're not waiting around for forever, okay? And let me know what you think, and until next time.